Hi friends, this is your teacher, your mentor, your guide, CMA Pradeep Dhani. Hope you all are doing well. So guys, in this video, we will discuss about the study plan and timetable for CMA Inter Group 1 June. December student can also use this video, which is beneficial for December 2021 student also. So June 2021 student can take the benefit of study plan. Okay guys, take it here. CMA Inter Group 1 study plan. Group 1 study plan. If still you have a problem, still after watching this video, if you are facing still any problem in any subject, I can guide you, I can suggest you any individual subject wise videos also on group 1 study plan and timetable. Guys, I will segregate this video on different aspect, because you all know that some of the students are working and some of the students are taking coaching and they are not working. So I will take care of every aspect. So do not worry, I will take each and every aspect and make this study plan according to their conditions. So guys, as you know, there's guide, we have four subjects. We have four subjects. Paper number 5. Paper number 5, we have financial accounting, and paper number 6, we have law, which is purely a theoretical subject. Okay guys, paper number 7, we have DT, direct taxation. Paper number 8, we have costing, which is the favorite subject of our institute, CMA Institute, because we are a cost accountant. So costing is the favorite subject, either in inter level or final level. Costing is a favorite subject of CMA Institute. So guys, we have four subjects: financial accounting, paper number 6 law, paper number 7 DT, and paper number 8 costing. Okay guys, so guys, and guys, some of the students asked about how they can self study, how they can clear all the subject with self study. I have prepared a separate video, okay, how we can do self study, CMA Inter Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, yeah, whole subject. I have prepared separate video. In this particular video, in the description, I will provide the link of that particular video, so that you can also get the benefit of how you can take the. And apart from this, in this video, I have also discussed about the best coaching as per my assumption and opinion. I am not defaming or promoting any teacher, but as per my assumption, I have made the video, so you can benefit from that video. So guys, we have four subjects: financial accounting, paper number 5, paper number 6 law, and paper number 7 DT, and paper number 8 costing. You can take one subject coaching, two subject coaching, or you can also do the whole subject with self. Everything is possible guys. Okay guys, let's discuss about timetable. So guys, first of all, I am take care of those students who are neither taking coaching, uh, those students are doing self study. So guys, you are staying at home, so you can do. I am segregating the 7 days week in three parts: MWF. Okay, then second one TTS. Okay guys, for third one Sunday. So guys, those students who are neither taking coaching and they are studying self studying within home. So MWF, what they can do? They can do uh, MWF. They can take two subject. TTS they can take remaining two subject, and in Sunday they can practice four subject whatever they have studied in the MWF or TTS, which is also possible. So guys, the self study student can do the. They can take MWF, financial accounting, and law, MWF. Okay guys, and paper number 10 DT and costing, they can take TTS. So those person who are neither taking coaching and they are doing self study. So guys, financial accounting you can do 2 hours a day, and law 1.5 hour, or I can say that 1 hour. So guys, if you consistently maintain 3 hours per day, 3 hours out of 24 hours, you can enjoy, you can see web series, whatever you want. But 2 hours for practical subject, for MWF, you can take out financial accounting 2 hours and law 1 hour. 3 hours is sufficient. Who the student who is studying self, and TTS for DT 2 hours it will take, and costing 2 hours because it is a practical. Okay guys, study plan is that financial and MWF, financial accounting and law, you will study 2 hours financial accounting and 1 hour. 3 hours is sufficient. You can enjoy, you can sleep, take proper sleep. Or in TTS, DT and costing 2 hours, any 4 hours you will take. MWF 3 hours and 4 hours for TTS. So guys, in Sunday, Those students who are doing self-study in Sunday, 1 hour each day, 1 hour each day, 1 hour each subject. आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा guys? आपको you have to spend 1 hour for every subject, and we have 4 subject in CMA Inter Group 1. So you need to spend 1 hour for each subject, yani 4 hour. If you are spending 4 hour, you need to revise whatever you have studied in MWF or TTS individual subject. So you can spend the time 1 hour for each subject. That is sufficient. Believe me, that is sufficient. And with consistency, you can achieve and you can clear your CMA Inter Group 1 within first attempt. No need to worry. I have also cleared in Inter in first attempt. So guys, this is the timetable, and this timetable you need to maintain 30th April. I am expecting that and assuming that 30th April every CMA Inter student will clear his subject. After 1st May to 31st May, I will come up with another 30-day plan. So I am expecting that 30th April you will clear all your subject with hard practice, with maintaining this timetable and study plan. Okay, guys. Now I am coming with those students who are taking coaching, either face to face. Still, face to face it didn't. No one is providing face to face class. So I am assuming that either they are taking Google Pen Drive classes or Google Drive classes. So for those students, same study plan, but the difference is that those are taking, suppose a student is taking two subject in a day. Suppose whatever subject they are taking, you need to practice in those particular days for those two subjects. Suppose you are taking the classes of financial accounting and law, so you need to spend 2 hours or 1 hour, 2 hours or 1 hour, 2 hours or 1 hour for those particular subjects. You can reduce your time because you are taking the classes, and I have mentioned the time for those who are not taking the classes self-study. So you can do 1.5 hour and half an hour. That is sufficient. But this need to maintain consistency. You cannot say that hi, 1 day, 2 day leave you can permit or you can go and enjoy. But if you are going for 1 month and a fortnight, so this is not possible. You need to maintain consistency, and we have sufficient time to clear our subjects. So guys, this is the time for those. This is the timetable. You need to maintain those timetable for those students who are taking classes or who are doing self study. Okay, guys, and at last, what about those who are doing jobs? So I can say that for those students, they can simply follow this timetable, but they can reduce their timing because they don't have enough time. They could, but they have to sacrifice something. Anna, you have to you can do 1 hour for accounts. You can take out from the remaining time period after doing your job, as per my opinion. You can do half an hour. Law you can do while traveling, possible. 5 days you can you can download the PDF. You can download the PDF file, and while traveling you can complete one page, 2 page, 3 page per day. But maintain consistency. You can do your and complete your law also. So working CMA Inter students can do reduce your timing, as per I have told discussed with you these timings. You can reduce your timing, but you need to maintain the consistency, and with job also it is possible without coaching, and the person who are doing the job can clear the CMA Inter group. Okay, guys. So no need to worry. And this is my timetable and the strategy only till 30th April, because I am assuming and expecting that you will clear your subject till 30th April. After 1st May to 31st May, I will come up with 30 days plan, which is beneficial and good for you. If anyone want to show that I can make video on individual subject, how to study individual subject, I can also make up with videos. Okay, guys. And apart from this, how to do self study or how to take from where we can take coaching classes, best coaching classes, I have prepared the video. I will share the link. Hope this video also benefited a lot to you. So in conclusion, I am concluding the video. You can 2 subject per day, MWF, TTS, and Sunday you can do 4 subject, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour you can take out from your 24 hours. The remaining time you can enjoy, you can sleep, you can go out with your friends and enjoy your life. But you need to take out those particular time I have mentioned in this video for your timetable and study plan. So guys, hope this video will benefit a lot to you. Still, if you have a confusion in any subject, how to do law, I will also come up with this video how to study financial accounting, law, direct taxation, costing. I will slowly I will come up with this video. Still, do you have a personal questions? You are facing any issue regarding any subject? Then I can surely help you. And that's all about the study plan of CMA Inter Group 1. Okay, guys, and I am assuring that if you maintain this plan, 100% I am assuring that you will clear your group, and this will benefit a lot to you. And that's all about the study plan of CMA Inter Group 1. And we will meet with another video. Thank you so much, guys, and stay blessed and happy studying.